Hi, this is Chief Meteorologist Matthew Hugo here at UKWF for the latest Farming Forum weather forecast. And a quick look at satellite images to highlight a few features of interest. And an area of low pressure is now moving into the UK from the south and southwest, and this is bringing some heavy and locally thundery downpours across parts of central and southern areas of England and Wales, and this more disturbed weather will continue to track northwards. However, ahead of it, across parts of North Wales, the North Midlands and into northern England, this region here, conditions are fair with some bright or sunny spells, and given quite a warm air mass over the UK at the moment, it is very pleasant for the time of year in the sunshine. This region of cloud across parts of Scotland is in association with more persistent rain, particularly across more eastern areas of Scotland, but this is now continuing to move gradually northwards. And overall, the unsettled weather will continue throughout the remainder of Tuesday and into Wednesday, but an improvement in conditions, generally from the west and southwest, this region of here of generally cloud-free skies, is expected to continue through towards the end of the week. And as indicated in the last video brief, Thursday and Friday will generally see an improvement in conditions than compared with the first half of the week. Also taking a quick look at our latest high-resolution rainfall radar data, you can see the outbreaks of rain across many areas of Scotland, but particularly across northern and eastern areas of Scotland. There's that window of fine and dry weather across parts of Northern Ireland, down into northern England and North Wales, but there's the particularly heavy and locally thundery downpours across parts of central and southern areas of England and Wales. And also just zooming in into this area of locally heavy and thundery downpours, you can see some particularly bright returns on radar, these orange and red colours which help to highlight some, again, particularly heavy downpours. And this region of particularly disturbed weather with some large rainfall totals occurring in a short space of time will continue to track northwards into North Wales, the Midlands and eventually into more southern areas of northern England towards this evening. So let's take a look at the UK's weather in a little bit more detail now over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. And here we are midday on Tuesday the 6th. There's the persistent rain across Scotland as it was evident on radar. There's the generally fine and dry weather across northern England, down into northern England, across Northern Ireland and parts of North Wales. And here's the showers further south. Now clearly continuing to progress through the remainder of Tuesday and on into Tuesday evening, and the showers generally become quite slow moving across parts of North Wales, the North Midlands and Northern England, and across this area of the UK some particularly large rainfall totals may well occur. The rain finally across Scotland begins to clear this evening, and conditions also begin to improve from the west across Ireland. Through the overnight period and on into Wednesday morning, and low pressure becomes located just to the east of the UK, and as a result the forecast for the middle of the week is very similar, and that is for Scotland and Northern England to continue to be dominated by generally unsettled conditions in association with this low pressure situated here just to the east of the UK. So outbreaks of rain and showers are expected across Scotland and northern England, along with quite a brisk west or northwesterly wind as well, and many areas of the UK will see a significant drop in temperatures on Wednesday than compared with Monday and Tuesday. However, as Wednesday progresses, that outbreaks of rain and showers across more northern and eastern areas of the UK will finally begin to pull away. So by the time we get to Wednesday evening, you can see the low pressure continuing to clear away to the east and northeast, and many areas of England and Wales, western areas of Scotland and Ireland generally becoming increasingly fine and dry to end Wednesday, with perhaps some brighter sunny spells before sunset. And overall that then leads on to a fine and dry end to the week across many areas of the UK. So by the time we get on into Friday the 9th, you can see, perhaps with the exception of some showers across the far west of Scotland and across perhaps parts of Northern Ireland, many areas do end the week dry and fine. Finally, we'll take a quick look at the expected temperatures over the next course of the next few days. And here we are, Tuesday the 6th at midday, through into the course of Tuesday afternoon, and temperatures widely in the mid to high teens, and perhaps even locally 20 degrees across some parts of the East Midlands and into East Anglia, which is clearly above average for the time of year. However, watch what happens as we continue to progress overnight and through into the course of Wednesday, and temperatures continue to gradually fall from the west, initially over Ireland tonight, but then also progressing eastwards across many rest of the areas of the UK through the course of Wednesday. So by the time we get to Wednesday afternoon, temperatures, particularly across parts of Scotland and northern England beneath that more unsettled weather, will only likely be around about 11, 12 or 13 degrees. But as you can see, even across more central and southern areas of England, temperatures only reaching 14 or 15, which is at least 5 or 6 degrees lower than through the course of Tuesday afternoon. And quite a chilly night will then follow on Wednesday night and through into Thursday morning. So by the time we get to Thursday the 8th, around about 6 AM, there could well even be some localised ground frost across parts of rural areas of Scotland northern England and Ireland. So a marked change in temperature as well is expected after midweek, with clearly a drop in temperatures by at least 5 or 6 degrees. So that's the latest information on the next few days. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your day.